Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to measure the angles with a protractor. Class 6 chapter 2 figure it out page number 40, 41, 42. Let's start. The first question is find the measures of the following angles using your protractor. This is the first picture in the first question. We have to take a protractor and place it like this to measure it. This is the center of the protractor and this is the vertex. So we can place it like this and this is our baseline. This is the arm. If you check this, we will get 47 degrees. And next again we can place it like this, the protractor to measure, and the reading will start from 0. See, if you observe this also the same angle, that is angle IHJ equals to 47 degrees. The next picture, if you see it, you have to place like this and you have to measure the angles. It start from 0 inner circle, you will get 24 degrees. Angle IHJ equals to 24 degrees. The third picture, this is the center and this is the baseline. We have to place like this and this is 110 degrees. So angle IHJ equals to 110 degrees. Moving to the second question. The second question is find the degree measures of different angles in your classroom using your protractor. So this is the notebook. If you measure it, you will get 90 degrees. So angle forms at corners of book, corners of scale, you will get 90 degrees. So 90 degrees equals to right angle. Whatever you have like different charts, pencil box and different types of charts, everything you will measure with your protractor. This is an activity to understand the different types of angles like acute, right, obtuse and right angle. Moving to the third question. The third question is find the degree measures for the angles given below. Check if your paper protractor can be used here. So for this question we need a paper protractor. This is the center and if I place like this, extend the lines and then see if you can measure using paper protractor like this. You place and this center, this is the vertex and then see where is the angle. I guess this angle is less than 45. We can't say exact angle using paper protractor. So now I am using the protractor. Here if I place like this, with the center and baseline, if you see here the angle is 42 degrees. Here we used inner circle. This is the second picture in the third question. You have to place protractor like this and if you observe it, we got 116 degrees. The fourth question is how can you find the degree measure of the angle given below using a protractor? This is the reflex angle. Reflex angle means more than 180 degree and less than 360 degrees. First you have to measure this angle. This angle is 102 degrees. So you have to minus 360 minus 102 degrees. We will get 258 degrees. So the angle is here 258 degrees. The fifth question is measure and write the degree measures for each of the following angles. The first picture is if you keep like this protractor and if you measure the angle, we will get 80 degrees. For the B picture, you have to place the protractor like this and you have to measure the angle. So we will get 120 degrees. Next, you have to place the protractor like this and if you measure the angle, we will get 60 degrees. Next, you have to place the protractor like this and now you have to see outer scale. So we will get 130 degrees. This is the E picture. You have to place the protractor like this and you have to check the angle. If you observe it clearly and we are considering the outer scale, so we will get 129 degrees. The last picture F, you have to place the protractor like this and you have to measure the angle. So this is we considered as inner scale and we got 60 degrees. I hope you understand how to solve these type of problems. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. So see you in the next video.